In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix voice chat and mic not working in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. If your microphone suddenly stops working in the middle of a match, don't worry. Because here is a very common in-game workaround that often fixes the issue quickly. Start by waiting for the drone phase or the defense phase. Then open the options menu and move over to the audio tab. Once you are there, find the voice chat input mode setting. Change it from your current option to something different, like switching from push to talk to open mic, or even temporarily turning it off. After changing it, click apply so the game fully registers the update. Next, reopen the same menu, switch the setting back to whichever input mode you actually want to use, and click apply again. This kind of refresh can help reset the voice chat system when it gets stuck or stops detecting your mic properly. While you are still in the audio settings, set the voice chat record threshold to 0. This is important because it makes the game much more likely to pick up your voice consistently. Especially if your microphone volume is on the quieter side, or if the game is failing to detect softer speech. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your Windows system settings. Since Rainbow Six Siege depends heavily on your default microphone and your Windows privacy permissions, press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. And from there open Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also confirm that desktop apps are allowed to access your microphone, because if this is disabled, the game may not be able to use your mic at all. After that, go back to Settings. Open System, then Sound, and look under Input. Here, select the exact headset or microphone you want to use as your default input device. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple audio devices connected. Once selected, move the input volume slider up to 100 so your voice is captured clearly. Here is one more setting worth checking outside the game. Sign into your Ubisoft account through the Ubisoft Account Management website, then go to the Privacy Center and review your social settings. If voice and text chat are set too restrictively, it can interfere with communication. Change those settings from friends only to everybody so the game can handle voice chat properly. After going through these settings, launch or return to the game and test your mic again. In many cases, this combination of in-game audio refresh, Windows microphone permissions, and Ubisoft privacy settings is enough to get voice chat working normally again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.